Welcome back to AI Theorized. Today, the entire regulatory landscape just shifted. President Trump signs a sweeping order seizing AI control from the states, investment capital hits astronomical records, and Runway drops a new video model claiming to be the absolute best on the market. Let's get into it. The lead story today comes straight from the White House. President Trump has signed a decisive executive order establishing a single, national framework for AI regulation. This isn't just paperwork. It is a direct move to strip authority from individual states like California and New York, effectively canceling their local AI safety laws in favor of federal standards. For big tech, this is a massive victory, replacing 50 confusing rule books with one unified path to scale. However, expect immediate legal pushback, as this sets the stage for a historic battle between state rights and federal power. Moving to the quick hits, the cash flow isn't slowing down. New data reveals that 2025 venture capital funding for generative AI is on track to double last year's figures, with tens of billions funneling into just a few foundation model leaders. The market is shouting loud and clear, winner takes all. Meanwhile, creators and startups are scrambling to interpret the new federal guidelines, hoping this centralization simplifies compliance rather than complicating it. Finally, our tool of the day is Runway Gen-4.5. Runway has officially rolled out what they are calling the world's best video model to all paid plans. The leap in quality is visible, with creators already showcasing smoother motion, consistent character stability, and far fewer artifacts than previous generations. If you are in AI video, the bar just got raised. That is your briefing for Friday, December 12th, 2025. Subscribe for the deep dive coming later. See you tomorrow.